I'm doing this because I have bought a couple of those ones online and they were fakes. Um, this is how the real box is supposed to look like. I believe this is an original one. Here we go. And I'm going to unbox it right now. This is how the original label is supposed to look like. This was where the main difference was with the ones which were fake. Alright, let's see what's inside now. They're almost identical, very small details. One of the biggest detail would be the weight. This is way heavier than the fake ones. And the fake one did not really come with the manual. I expect inside of this box there is a manual. It did come with the manual, but it was a very tiny one. It was just like a couple of pages. Yeah, this one has a manual inside. A little bit hefty manual. Cannot put it out right now. Here you go. That's how it looks like. Oh yeah, quite a few pages here. The same. The other one did not come with those two booklets, manuals, whatever they are. And another thing, the fake one, right here on the side there was a sticker with the exclamation point. This is printed on the actual product. Yeah, this is Charge 5 by JBL.